After more than a week of protests, race is taking center stage here in Kansas City. Now people are asking what they can do to be part of progress. The Country Club Plaza, a stage for protests in Kansas City.
What's his name?
George Floyd, the man who died in Minneapolis police custody, has become a rallying cry to address racial inequality and police brutality. If you're ready to learn more, where do you start?
Before you can do anything, you need to know what your own implicit associations are, what your own biases are, what your prejudices are. The best way to do that is in a no-shame environment in the comfort of your own home. And it will highlight the things that you think when you're not thinking. And that's what's most important.
The Harvard Implicit Association test is free and available online. From there, Dr. Nicole Price says grab a book like Lively Paradox.
If you have never thought about these issues before, the first half of the book is completely designed for you. If you feel like you're underrepresented and sometimes you get left out, the second half of the book is for you.
There's another recommendation, too.
If you happen to be a white person, Robin DiAngelo's White Fragility book, the title is off-putting, but I need people to trust me. That singular resource is a really good tool to help people after they've read a book like Lively Paradox to then tackle issues of race.
Dr. Price says the work can be challenging, but it can take us from protest to peace.
Dr. King had an analogy. He said it's like two families that were separated that inherited a big house and they had to live in it together. That's how we are as Americans. We've inherited this big house, the United States of America, and we have to live here together.
Another great resource is Race and Equity Tools. We've put a link in this story at KSHB.com along with the books and tests that were just mentioned.